not just for the kids, but for all the staff and everyone who get involved in this activity. My dear brothers and sisters in the Lord, let us welcome as we rejoice with the presence of the Lord, the processional march of the sojourners, starting with the Philippine flag, followed by the Christian flag and the Bible. Palakpakan natin sila.
We will witness and discover His might in every way. An adventure of a lifetime in this journey you belong. Come on, let's get on and go. Our faith in God alone. So get ready to be amazed by His wonders and His grace.
And this time, let us welcome the sojourners, the first group or the tourist group, together with the tour guides and the assistant tour guides. Palakpakan natin sila. And this time, let us give a round of applause as we welcome the sightseers group together with their tour guides and their assistant tour guides. Wave your hands. Let's give them a big round of applause as we welcome the sightseers group. And this time, let us give a round of applause to the group of wayfarers, together with their tour guides and their assistant tour guides. The teachers and the assistant teachers, the wayfarers. Wave your hands. Yan, palakpakan natin sila. Sige, ato bang sa tating ko dayon. Yan. Okay. Then, okay. And tanan staff, please stay there. Tanan Mindoda. This time, let us welcome our support team. Panahon ako ang support team. Our beautiful and handsome members of the PHP, our
Ikaw mag-video. Mag-video na.
Placement ato sila ibalik og kuan sa dito then mo tindog tanan atubang na dinhi. Sige. Dayon sa front lang na ibutang ang ilahang banner. Everybody stand. So ang tanang staff na amoy mga chairs din na wala na mo stay sa kilid. So naata tanan sa atong chairs.
Ay, thank you.
Space naman, distance
national
ang
march for delegates.
ang powers of ang
The
sightseers.
word of God.
Ang sightseers, pwede mo hiro kung isang ka-chair dito
Yeah.
para hindi sila mo dikit sa first group.
Power of Jesus. Resistion.
Sige. At this time, let us all stand as we officially open our 2025 Summer with Jesus prayer. May I request our dear